Caherlock, can I join with Senator Gavin this morning in paying tribute to Diego Maradona? I am of the generation that admired his skills and we extend our deepest sympathies. And can I concur with Senator Crockwell wholeheartedly? There is a cohort of local authority members who are being, to borrow Senator Dooley's phrase, hollowed out by COVID-19. And there's an obligation, Caherlock, and perhaps it's something you could lead as Caherlock of the House, as we are elected by the councillors predominantly, to make representation to government on behalf of those men and women who are being really hollowed out by COVID-19 in their personal workspace. And I agree with you, Senator Crockwell. Caherlock, could I ask that the Deputy Leader, would hold a debate in this House on the role of An Garda Síochána, on the role of revenue and the role of the DPP in the light of the RTE Primetime Investigates programme last night? And we should, at a time when RTE is getting criticised, we should pay tribute if the facts are as presented last night in the documentary, the RTE Investigates Primetime programme on Patrick Russell. There are serious questions that have to be asked if the programme material is correct around the role of the Gardaí, revenue and the DPP. And I know they're not here to defend themselves, and I said if the information is correct, because we've only got one side. But it's not good enough, Leader. It's not good enough that people have been defrauded, have been robbed, and the person's in jail, Caherlock, so he has been proven to be guilty.
I understand.
And I'm being very careful, Caherlock, and I'm mindful that I'm not going to have a row with you now, but I'm being very careful.
You know the procedure.
I understand, and I'm being very careful what I'm saying. But millions of euro stolen by a person in jail today, and the DPP, the Gardaí and the revenue, if the information is correct, Caherlock, and I say if it's correct, and we've only one side.
I just, for the benefit of the House, and there is a standing order in relation to any potential, the issue of things being before the courts, and I know what you're talking about in relation to cases that have been prosecuted, but I don't want this House to be impacted on any future case. And
I hope you understand, Caherlock, by my term and my demeanour, I'm not trying to bring the House into dispute in any shape or form.
I know that.
But I'll conclude in this. There is a real need for the DPP, the revenue and the Gardaí to explain, and not to hide behind we don't comment on individual cases. How can a person for almost 20 years plus go unchecked by the organs of the state? And I'm only an ordinary person. Imagine how those people feel and the impact it's had in their lives. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator.